Have you walked outside and wondered, what happened to my yard? If you're finding mysterious holes, tunnels, or piles of dirt, you're not alone. One of the most common culprits is the mole. Moles spend most of their lives underground, searching for earthworms and insects. Their tunnels create raised ridges and soft spots across your lawn. Gophers are another possibility. Unlike moles, they feed on roots and plants. If you notice fan-shaped dirt mounds and vegetation suddenly dying, a gopher may be the cause. Voles often use tunnels created by other animals. Look for small holes, narrow runways through grass, and chewed plant stems near ground level. Not every hole is bad news. Ground nesting bees create small, clean openings in the soil and help pollinate plants. Earthworms also leave signs behind, improving soil health, drainage, and aeration. Sometimes the damage comes from nighttime visitors. Skunks and raccoons dig for grubs, while squirrels bury and retrieve food throughout your yard. The key is identifying what's causing the damage before taking action. Reduce insect infestations, maintain a healthy lawn, and use humane deterrents whenever possible. If you're unsure, contact Action Termite and Pest Control. We can help identify the source. Those mysterious holes may be frustrating, but they're often signs of wildlife searching for food or shelter. Understanding the cause is the first step toward protecting your lawn and keeping your yard looking its best.